Texas news report system. Today at 4:53 p.m., there was an earthquake in Port-au-Prince, Haiti. Lots of people were killed and many more were injured. It is a mess! Oh!
Thousands of buildings and houses in Haiti are torn down. Also, the president's house has collapsed. Many people are killed and injured.
Reporter Lee is at the location where the earthquake happened. Lee? Lee? Lee?
Technical difficulty. Your alias is then placed. Replug it and try again later.
Yes. Hi. This is embarrassing. Yeah. I'm at the Port-au-Prince in a random street. Buildings are torn down and destroyed. 97,294 houses are destroyed and 188,383 are damaged. Now I will interview this child.
Hi. What's your name, kid?
My name is Tetu. I am 7.
What happened?
I was walking and suddenly ground broke. I was shaking. I was so scared and I'm hungry. My dad died. There are 316,000 people killed and 300,000 injured, and 1.3 million are displaced. 1,300 schools are destroyed and also 500 hospitals are destroyed, so we can go to school and hospital. We need medical system. Medical system. And we also need education and schools. Schools.
Poor Tedu. Like they said, people in Haiti are dying because there are not enough medical systems.
Yeah, I changed my clothes. Yeah, very nice. Hyun, is there any reason why this happened? Didn't they give warning?
No, the people had could predict it. It was a magnitude of 7.0 with 42 aftershocks that range 1 through 5.5 and a tsunami. I'm tired of saying this. I'm hungry. Bye. Thank you.
Wait, Lee! Oh. I feel sorry for Haitian people. Thank you for your broadcast, reporter Lee.
Let's look at the geographical location of Haiti. Haiti lies on the margin between the North American and Caribbean plates, which are grinding past each other. That is transform boundary. Yay!
This is the end of the report. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.